All right, in case you are given 2 points on a line, okay, so say point A, x1, y1, and point B, x2, y2, and you ask to find the distance or the length between the points here. Okay, all right, so let's see how we can use the formula for finding distance between 2 points on a line, x and y axis. Okay, so we have this. So given 2 points A, x1, y1, then point B, x2, y2. Okay, so let's extend this. Okay, then join this. Okay, so this side is 90. So let's label this as x1 and label this as x2. Okay, so we can label this as y1, then do same to this side, y2. So this side distance here are similar, so we can call this one y2, y1. Okay, now in case we are given, let's say, a line like this from 2 to, let's say, 7, and you ask to find the difference here. So the difference here becomes the change of this. So that is 7 minus 2, which is 5. That will be the difference. So to find the change of the x-axis is x2 minus x1. Then that of y2 minus y1. Okay. All right. So let's observe the diagram well. So it's behaving like this. Right angle triangles. Let's label this side as C. Okay. So let's apply, or we can find the length AB when we apply Pythagoras theorem. So with the Pythagoras theorem, it says the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So the longest side is the side that faces the 90 degrees. That's the hypotenuse. Okay, so that is AB. So AB squared is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So we have AC, length AC, plus then BC. So we have length BC. Okay, so we want to find AB. So what do? Take square root on both sides. Okay, so we have length AB. Now length can never be negative, so we can't say plus or minus. So just go ahead. Now AC, what is AC? AC is change in x. Okay, so change in x squared, okay, plus BC, change in y. Okay, so we have AB as square root. Now what is change in x? So the difference in x values, or the difference here. Okay, so we have x2 minus x1 all squared plus change in y, y2 minus y1 all squared. X. minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 all squared. Okay, so that's the formula. So this is the formula for finding the distance or the length or the modulus between 2 points. Okay, so that's that. So let's solve examples. Okay, let's solve this example. Find the distance between the points. Okay, so we have point A 2 5, then B 5 9. So AB here. So length AB is giving us, so changing x, that is x2 minus x1 squared plus changing y. Okay, so let's write down our points. 2 5 5 9. Okay, so let's label our points here. So call this x1 y1. So call this x2 y2. Okay, so let's substitute x2. What is x2? X2 is 5, x1 2, y2 is 9. Okay, y1 is 5 or squared. 5 minus 2 is 3. So you have 3 squared. 9 minus 5 is 4 squared. 9 plus 16. So we have 25. Okay, so AB. So what is square root of 25 is 5. Now remember, length can never be negative, so you can't say plus or minus. So answer is 5. Therefore, the length AB is giving us 5 units. So always add the units. Okay, that's that. All right. So let's find the distance between the points. Like 1 5, then 7 minus 3. That is Q. Okay, so we have point P as neg 1 5, then Q as 7 minus 3. So length PQ is giving us changing x squared, that is x2 minus x1, plus changing y squared, y2 minus y squared, y2 minus y1 squared. Okay, so let's substitute. Now before that, let's label our points. So x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 here is 7 minus x1 is minus 1. Be very careful here. Plus y2 is minus 3 minus, then y1 is 5. Okay, so what do we have here? Minus minus is plus, so we have 8 squared, and we have minus 8 squared. So we have 8 squared, 64 plus 64. So we have 1 28. So the length PQ is that. Okay. So you can take square root of this, then move on. Okay, so you can end up writing your answer in the form of decimals. Okay. All right, go ahead and try this. Find the distance between the points R. So we have 5, 7, then T, 1, 4. Okay. So try this. Okay, you can put the answer under the comment section below. Okay. All right, so thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos. All right, thanks.